Hey guys, it's Karen Merrow. Do you want to know how you can make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face? Do you want to know how you can make money on YouTube while you're sleeping? I'm going to share with you some examples of channels that do exactly that. Actually, they make a lot more than $100 a day. And then if you stick around until the end, I'm going to give you access to a free webinar where you can learn exactly how you can do this as well. But you want to stay until the end because if you don't get this right, you're not going to make any money with it. So with that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. This is something that a lot of people want to do because they want to have the YouTube channel because they know they can make money with it, but they don't want to actually show their face. And there's ways that you can absolutely do this. Before we get to some examples of channels, we want to talk about what are the most profitable niches. Now, of course, you can make money with other niches besides this, but these three, health, wealth, and relationships, are the most profitable niches because these are the areas that people have the most problems in, and you can help solve those problems. So let's talk about some examples of these channels where they don't show their face, but they're making a lot of money. The first one I really love is called Fight Mediocrity. This is their channel here. You can see there's over 1 million subscribers. And basically on this one they do like a whiteboard presentation, never show their face, but they have links to Amazon products. Like if they do a book review, they'll have a link to that. You can see this one here, their latest one, is they talk about Joe Dispenza, and he is a personal development figure that talks about the mind. He's an incredible teacher. But if we look at this video here, you can see that they have a link in the description to one of his products here. And it's not a book, it's actually an interview that they have. Let's see. But they are monetizing his product here. Yeah, right here. So they're linking to a product. But not only are they making money from the links in the description of their video, but they're making money from Google AdSense, which, if you don't know, that is when there's an ad that plays at the beginning of your video, and you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months to apply for that. And the more niche specific your channel is, the easier it is for Google to place ads on your channel. If your channel is all about a lot of different topics, then it's more difficult for you to make money with Google AdSense. So with over 1 million subscribers, I think they're making a pretty good amount of money with their ads. And I want you to also realize that this is something that you can do. You know, they started from zero. They do have over 1 million subscribers, but there was one day when they had this idea to start this channel and they put up their first video. So, you know, you guys can do this as well. It is not difficult if you know what you're doing. So that's the first channel. Before we go on to the next one, let's take a look at their stats. So they get 10,000 subscribers a month. And if you look at their trending videos, the top one here is the one that they just put up 4 days ago. Of course, that's going to be their top one, but you can see that it's getting over 247 views per hour. And a lot of their videos are trending here. So that's the first one. The second channel I wanted to share with you is called Top Think. And you can see that they have over 1 million subscribers. Let's see what their stats are. They get 44,000 subscribers a month. And their top trending video actually was 9 months ago, which is really good. And that's over 910 views per hour. So this is more about personal development and things just to make your life better. But you can see that this one, How to Wake Up at 4 a.m. Feeling Amazing, I need to watch that. 15 hours ago, they already have over 7,000 views on it. This is another great example. Let's take a look and see how they're monetizing this channel. Because when you when you look at your niche, you want to make sure that there's affiliate products that you can list in your description. Some programs, because they're selling their merchandise here, they may just be getting you to subscribe to their channel. So it doesn't look like they have any affiliate links in here. But again, you can make, with over 1 million subscribers, you can make a lot of money with Google AdSense. So that's the second one. The third one I want to share with you is called 5 Minute Crafts Girly, right here, and that is 17 million subscribers on this channel. They get 3,000 subscribers a month. Let's see what their top trending video is. 2 days ago, it's over 16,000 views per hour. This is just kind of, they do have a lot of different topics on this channel. Just basically how to make your life easier and how to do things. 26 awesome ways to improve your cooking routine. So just some random tips on everyday life. So this channel is really, really interesting to me, and they don't, again, show their face. The fourth one is called Tech Zone. You can see they have over 2 million subscribers. Let's look at their stats. 80,000 subscribers they add every single month. Their trending video was a month ago, and it gets over 355,000 views. I'm sorry, it gets over 1,400 views per hour. So let's take a look. These are just some, it's about technology, coolest cars that are coming soon. It's just, let's see if they monetize it with any affiliate links, or maybe just the Google AdSense. Brain time. So they're actually linking to another channel here. So they're obviously making a lot of money through Google AdSense. So that's the fourth one, and the fifth one is Improvement Pill. This is all about personal development. They get 80,000 subscribers a month. And their top trending video was just a day ago. That's over 2,600 views per hour. That's a lot. And let's look at their videos here. It looks like they post at least one a week, a few a month, and they have over 1 million subscribers. So let's take a look and see how they're monetizing, if they are, as far as affiliate links. They're building their email list for sure, so yes, they are monetizing this in addition to the Google AdSense. Right, so they do have some affiliate links in their description. So I really like this channel. It's just all about being successful in different ways in your life. So that's the fifth one. So this is something that you guys can absolutely do. Again, you don't have to show your face, and not only can you make money through Google AdSense, but through affiliate products that you place in the description in your video. So you can imagine that if we go back to this channel, if they're getting that many views per hour, they're going to have a lot of people clicking on the description, links in the description of their video, or subscribing to their channel. And then, you know, when people watch their videos, they do get money from the Google AdSense. So I wanted to share with you how you can do this as well. If you don't get this right, you know, you can have a whole bunch of videos up, because you see a lot of people that do that. They don't have many subscribers, they don't have many views. So you have to know exactly how to do this, and it is not difficult, and you can outsource 100% of this. You don't have to even have your voice on it if you don't want to. So I wanted to share with you, I've shared this on some of my other videos, but The reason I do this is because I think this is the best way that people can earn a full-time income on YouTube, because it is passive. You can have all these videos up. People are clicking on your videos while you're sleeping, while you're out doing something. And I make money all the time from my videos that I've put up months ago. And people contact me from that as well, but they also just buy products from me. So in this free webinar, you're going to see how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research, and how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. But again, you can outsource this. You don't even have to have your voice on there. You can do voiceover. And how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time, the snowball method. This is very powerful because a lot of people have videos out there for months and even years and they don't have hardly any subscribers. So this is very easy to do. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video that you can get access to this free webinar if you want to learn how to have a very profitable YouTube channel as we're going into 2020, because you want to be able to work less and leverage your time and make this money passively, and that's exactly how you can do that, is you can learn through this webinar. So I hope you guys found some value in how to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And again, if you want to learn how to do this, there'll be the first link in the description below the video to get access to this webinar. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you do need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. With that being said, this is Karen Rowe signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.